How to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to subscribe to Snapchat Plus on your mobile phone using iPhone or Android. Now open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, now go to your profile. After you open your profile, here is the option Snapchat Plus. So scroll to down. Here are all the features you can use on your Snapchat Plus. Scroll to down and go to this next button. In this session, now you can choose the plan that you want to go. So as you can see now here, as you can see, it says free for the first week, then 250 naira per month. You can scroll to down and choose the next option is 200 and 2,300 naira per month. So you can be able to see the amount according to your country currency. For me, I will just go with this one. After I choose the plan, this one or this one, tap on this start trial mode. So from there now it will give you your email address and it will ask you now to type in your add your credit card or debit card. So now I'll go ahead now and add my credit card. So now I add my Snapchat credit card. Here is it now in this option. So now tap on this. As you can see now here it will give you some like address. So you need to add your address. I added my address as well. So tap on this now, save card. So I'm having an issue because my card is not working. So after you just tap on this save card button, from there it will allow you now to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. That's it guys on how to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.